I'm at REITWorld 2012 in San Diego, and joining me today is Sam Wald, Portfolio Manager with Fidelity Investments. Despite the generally tepid economic recovery, REITs have performed well so far this year. Any thoughts on what's driving that performance?
Yeah, absolutely. One of the bigger surprises, we think, has been the health of the overall same-store net operating income across the industry in 2012, and as you mentioned, particularly in light of the overall economic environment. For example, the apartments are expected to have same property growth in the 7.5% range for 2012. One of the reasons we think that's the case is that supply still remains very close to historically low levels, about 0.7% of existing stock. Since real estate's a basic supply and demand business, and supply levels are fairly low, it really doesn't take all that much economic growth to generate fairly healthy earnings growth.
Will 2013 be more of a stock picker's market?
I sure hope so. When you have a lot of the macro issues arise, like we have recently, all types of investments tend to have higher volatility and higher correlation. So over the past couple of years, REIT investors have had a worry about things like the U.S. debt ceiling, the U.S. fiscal cliff, China's growth slowing, and the mess over in Europe, just as much as the underlying fundamentals on the property that the REITs own. So hopefully some of these macro issues will settle down, and 2013 will end up being more of a stock picker's year.
Do you have any sectors that you're particularly high on heading into 2013?
I tend to focus more on bottom-up stock picking than I do on sector selection. That being said, I am fairly positive on the subsector of private pay senior housing now. Like many other property types, the levels of new supply are fairly low. However, for private pay senior housing, the demand is just beginning to recover now. And since the demographics are that more and more people are getting older, particularly in the 85-plus demographic, they should have positive growth for a lot of years to come.
Thanks for joining us today, Sam.
Absolutely.
I'm Carissa Chappelle for REIT.com.